Hi guys, it's 8 a.m. here in Uganda and I'm right in the garden of tomatoes. As you can see, they have grown and they have reached in the time of ripening. Now the bad news is that these birds have come around the garden and they have surrounded every tomato that ripens. They have to bite and take it. So, as an African, that's why I'm trying to make for them a scarecrow. As you can see, I also come in bright colors in the garden so that whenever they see these colors, they run away. So, come with me, let's go and make.
And hey guys, before we go really very far into this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment in the comment section how in your area how you handle the pests that disorganize your gardens. And as usual in Africa, we never fail to try out something. So I'm going to use these banana fibers, as it's not a good season, but I'm going to try and hustle and see that I get them. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed, it's a kind request that you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't be missing any of my uploads. I love you really so much. Keep watching and let's take these home. I've gathered somehow a big number, so I'm taking them home and to see that I try to design a scarecrow. Yeah, I was able to gather these ones, and in the meantime I'll need sticks as well, so that I'll be able to make something that almost looks like a person. Not easy though, but let's try and do it. So I have to select something that is taller, a stick that is taller than the other. So I'm really trying to see my height, and I'm thinking if I give this a head, it's going to be a bit little taller. And then I'll also put something down. I'll make it really taller so that the birds can be able to see it visible in the garden, and they will always imagine there is someone standing looking at them. So come with me, let's make this. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed, it's a kind request that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that every day I do video and upload, you'll be the first one to know and view. And for my returning viewers, subscribers, you are the best. You have a big space in my heart. I really love you. Thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate the support. And so it's not easy to make this thing, but I was just imagining my childhood memories. We used to do this. So I said, let me try and do this. So I'm doing, and keep watching. You have to see the result. Yeah, so I'm making a head. Yeah, so that it will look more of a person. And yeah, these birds must leave my garden today. I'm trying all I can, to show them that they need. Yeah, thank you so much. Keep watching. More is coming in your screen. A special shout out to Zaki Chris Shinadi for the melodious music in my video. Yeah guys, you can check out his channel and support him. He has really nice music and you can listen to it. Yeah, let's continue making our baby our Scarecrow. So I'm making it to have a buttocks, big bum bum, so that it will look like, yeah, an old person.
You are the God who changes things. You are the God who changed my story. You lifted me from nothing to something, Jesus. From zero to hero, you are the God who changes things. You are the God who changes things. You are the God who changed my story. You lifted me from nothing to something, Jesus. From zero to hero, you are the God who changes things. Yes, you are. You are the God who changes things. You are. You are the God who changed my story. You lifted me from nothing to something.
And finally, we get our nice, beautiful, slender babe with big hips. But this neck has really disappointed me in a way. My agriculture teacher should be proud of me. And for my art teacher, that one should fire me. I've disappointed him. Just see the head. But yeah, it will be really good enough to scare these birds. So I'm going to, beautify it and carry it to the garden. Yeah, still keep watching, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment for us in the comment section. And yeah, I love you so much.
From nothing to something, Jesus. From zero to hero, you are the God who changes things. I bow down to worship you alone. There is no one else who can do what you do. Lord, you picked me up from the dust and you cleansed me in your blood. Now I'm here, standing because of your will. You are the God who changes things. You are the God who changes my story. Lord, you lifted me from nothing to something, Jesus. From zero to hero, you are the God who changes things. You are the
Yeah, I've put it in the garden. As you can see, this beautiful girl, but she still looks short. So I'm going to increase her height. I'm going to get for her high heels, and I'll make them also locally so that they could be a bit high, because the garden is a little bit bigger, and so that she could be able to be seen really well. So keep watching, and I'm really glad you have watched the video up to now. Love you. Subscribe, share this with your friends, and now bye.
You lifted me from nothing to something, Jesus. From zero to hero, you are the God who changed